welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIY, home decor and organization, hauls, thrifts, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Esther and welcome back again to a home of little, simple, cozy and inexpensive ideas. In today's video, guys, I have interesting DIYs lined up for you. I'm going to be doing 3 DIYs, so stay tuned, come along with me as we do this. And these are DIYs that you can actually they are DIYs that are cohesive with each other. So come along with me, guys. I'll be using things that you already have in your home or things that you can actually get easily from a supermarket. I'm going to be recycling some cartons, some mirrors and also some frames, some circular frames. I'm also going to be recycling a clock, and I'm going to be using drinking straws and a wallpaper, and I'm going to be using bamboo skewers. So come along with me, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't joined the DIY family yet, kindly just pause the video here, subscribe and give this video a like, and then let's continue, guys. So our first DIY today, we are going to be using these rings. They are wooden rings, and I'm going to be DIYing them and using a clock and this mirror. So for this first DIY, we are going to be using the mirror, and we're going to be making a sunburst mirror. I wanted to make a sunburst watch, but then I decided I think a sunburst mirror would also look great. I have already done a DIY on the same as well, which has a very good step-to-step guide. So here I'm not going to do so much. You can be able to check that out on my channel. You're going to see the sunburst DIY that I did not long ago. So what I'm doing here, I'm just taking different bamboo skewers, because these are the bamboo skewers that I'm using. I bought these in the supermarket, so you can also get them in the supermarket. And I'm using my hot glue to attach them into different areas of this mirror. And then I'll go and cut different pieces of the bamboo squares just to have like different variations. And yeah, guys, you'll see how it turns out at the end. And then we're going to spray paint it at least with 2 different spray paint colors, so that it can mimic the colors of the house and what we are working on. So this is how the mirror looks like, and I like how it turned out. I love the way it has like the rays of the sun and all. So yeah. So for the second DIY, I'm going to be using this circular wooden frame. So what I'm doing is I don't have a mirror. I would have used a mirror, but then because I don't have a mirror, I want to DIY something. So first of all, I have just cut a carton which can fit underneath it, and I want to use wallpaper cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm just placing the wallpaper cut so that I can get the same measurements, and then I'm going to hot glue it on the carton and then stick it on the back of the circular frame, so that then I can get a very good wall hanging, because these things I want them to be cohesive. I won't be spray painting the outer part of this, which I won't be doing also for the other projects, because I really love this brown color. So I want to incorporate it as well in the space. So to give it a touch up, I just went through with the macrame yarn. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this one. for this next DIY, it's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and right now, because I have something circular, I'm going to be using the watch. So I want to make an eye decor. So what I'm doing here, I've just taken my plate and just making different measurements just to have a good eye. So what I did first, I made the measurement of this circle or the watch, the one that will be at the center, and then now I'm just making different measurements so that then I can have the eye which will be outer, and I can have the outer rings of the eye. So a ruler comes in handy for this work, so you should have a ruler at your disposal, and then make good measurements and just continue working all around it. And then once you get the picture of what you want, then now you can make all the drawings and then cut all the areas. So as you can see, I'm just marking where I want it to go. So just start making adjustments and then cut the piece. So this is just a carton. So this carton these are the cartons that come with pizza wraps. So yeah, you don't have to throw them away, you can do something with them like this DIY. So what I'm going to do is I've already cut the outline, the outer outline. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting the inner outline just near the circle, and then just making sure that I have the correct measurements for the circle, and then I will attach it to my clock once I'm done. So that's what I'm going to do. Then because I don't want to attach, I want to attach some it's like some eyebrows like that. So what I'm going to do for this, I'm going to be recycling some drinking straws. You can also buy drinking straws if you don't have them in your disposal. So yeah, this is a very good way to also recycle drinking straws. So what I'm doing, I'm going to do the same way I did for the sunburst, but in a different way. So what I'm going to have is the longer the more you move from the center to the edges, the more the straws are going to be smaller and smaller. So that's what I've done. I've cut the straws in different sizes, and then what I'm going to do on the side, the upper side of the eye, is what I'm going to do. I'm going to reciprocate on the lower side of the eye. So this one is just using glue stick, the glue gun, and then just making sure that I have it hot and I can be able to work around it. So as you can see, just placing hot glue and placing the straws in different positions just to make a very good eye. tie is already done. I love how it turned out. And then now we're going to just attach the clock and spray paint it, but I think before attaching the clock I'm going to spray paint it because I don't want the clock to have a different color. So yeah, I'm going to spray paint it and then I'll attach it later and I'll show you the end product just in a few minutes. So once they were spray painted, I used silver or gray and black. You can see how they look. I love the cohesiveness. This is the eye before I attach the clock, and then once I attach the clock, guys, I just love the outlook. Then I'm going to hang these three pieces on the wall. I'm going to hang them in one wall so that then they can bring the cohesiveness. And I'm going to be using the rule of 3 in interior design. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. Watch until the end so that you can appreciate the work that was done and how these pieces turned out. And I would love to see what you can do with such pieces and such tips and hacks. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't joined our dear family yet, and comment down below and let me know which was your favorite. Was it the Sunburst Mirror, was it the clock, the eye clock, or was it just this piece which has the wallpaper on the wall? So this is how they look, and I really love the outcome.
I hope you enjoyed today's DIYs. I really love how they came out. I love the eye one which has the clock. So that clock, the only thing I need, my friends need to do is just now to just place the battery and it's a clock again. So yeah, it was just the circular part and now it's something different. It's a whole different look, and I love how they turned out and complemented each other on the wall. So these are DIYs, guys. You can also try. I also have another sunburst video that I have on my YouTube channel, so you can also check that out and see how I also did a step-to-step guide on how you can achieve that, guys. On the description box below, guys, kindly check all the materials that I used and where you can also get them in Nairobi CBD, and these are things you can get in hardwares, or in even you can also get them in supermarket. So these are things that you can get anywhere if you want to invest on Sage. If you haven't joined our DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I try as much as possible to upload videos on Sunday, so you can be on the lookout on that, and I have so much content lined up for you guys. So yeah, and share my content guys. I have so many videos on my channel. Share, like, comment, subscribe guys. Let's grow this family and let's get to 100k subscribers. So yeah, let's go guys. If you like daily dosage of DIYs guys, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cosying Up with Essy, and for any business inquiries at cosyingupwithessy@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers guys, have a lovely week and see you in the next one.